Good morning, Hudson Band. I wanted to explain to you how the new Presto Assistant system works. As you can see on my screen, once you have logged into your account, you will be taken to your dashboard. This is what it looks like. You can see upcoming events that are all synced to our band's Google Calendar. You can see a financial overview. Eventually, not this year, you'll be able to see forms that you can actually fill out online. This year, there's still paper version, but hopefully next year we'll switch over to that. And then you can see your family, the people that are connected to your account, your student or students, and you can adjust information there, update information as needed. The thing that you're probably going to want to pay the most attention to is the financial overview. As you can see, my son still owes this much money. I can download my statement that will show me everything I have paid already. I can print out my own receipts, or I can make a payment. If you want to make a payment online, you click make a payment. It's super simple. If I want to pay just my fall fees, I write however much money I want to pay. I'm going to go ahead and finish paying the remaining balance for that. I'll save my spring fees for later. If you're making monthly payments, this is where you go. You just put however much money you want to put towards your account in that box. Click the next button. You would type in your credit card information. As a note, there is a non-refundable fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents. That just goes to Presto because that's how much it costs for them to charge things to credit cards. Then you click next. You'll see that it's paying for the fall 2024 fee. There's the processing fee. I have to confirm that that is correct. I click submit. My payment has been successful. You can also see, if you click on the person, you can see which payments have been made already. So as you're going, if you paid monthly or whatever you're doing, you could see all of the payments and what they've been paid towards. And if you have more than one student, this little drop-down menu will have multiple students on it. The other really cool thing, I think, is that as soon as you make the payment, Presto automatically sends you a receipt to your email. So it'll come immediately to your email, and you can see that that payment has been made. So I hope this is helpful to you and makes it easier to make band payments this year. Thanks.